Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I put together April 2023's Crazy Card Chics Kits to Go card. So you got your instructions. I bet you I have two of them because there's probably one in here too, right? We don't need those. I'll show you what to do. Your coordinating envelope, we're not going to do anything with that, but aren't they pretty? Look how pretty the card looks with the coordinating envelope. I was kind of excited about that. Let's put the envelopes aside, and all your little pieces and parts are in there. The first thing we're gonna do is take our white frame here, and there's adhesive back on there. Let's take the adhesive back off, and if you just kind of roll it, it's pretty easy to get off. I'm gonna try to be gentle so I don't change the shape of my frame. And then I do suggest you use take a pick tool, that one I'm gonna poke in, or a pair of scissors and something to hold your frame still. We're gonna take our vellum and cover up that frame. So it's just about the same size like that. There we go. Then pick up your frame and lay that on the front of your card. It's just about as easy as that. There we go. Then we're gonna take our little sticker here, hello. Make sure all those little pieces and parts are out. I have a little center to my E. Get rid of that and set that down here at the bottom. I'm gonna try to center it there, close enough. And then with just a glue dot, liquid glue, whatever you have around, I'm gonna take a glue dot and put it in the center of my butterfly's body here. I don't know if you can see it, if I can get off there, but it looks something like that, just a little glue dot on my butterfly, and set him right there. And then last, oh look, I have a little spot here of my, there we go. No more little spots of the butterfly. And then last, we'll just take that little gem and set that in the center of my butterfly body here, and just like that, bada bing, bada boom, there you go. Then on the inside, you could stamp happy birthday, you could stamp thinking of you, you could put whatever you want, or put nothing on the inside until you write it and to send it out to your recipient. But there you go, there's your card for Crazy Card Chics for April. I look forward, May we're gonna be in person. We haven't been in person in a long time, so I look forward to seeing you again in May. Talk to you then. Ooh, and don't forget, we're gonna have all of our sale items there. It's gonna be a big event. For more information, be sure and visit our Facebook group. The link is below. So see you later. Bye-bye.